morning. It's 9 a.m. Got about 6 hours of forging to do today. My plan is to get both my billets drawn out, restacked at least 2 to 3 times to get my layers up. So right now this is my first billet, 2 inches wide, 4 inches long, 15 and 20 and 1084 alternating with a 1084 in the very center. I'm at 17 layers right now, so I'm going to forge it out to about 14, 15 inches, cut it into 3 or 4 sections, have it probably close to maybe an inch or a half inch thick, and then restack it, reforge, restack it to get a nice random pattern. Billet cooling on my anvil. It took me right at an hour from the time I started my forge until I could get it to about half inch thick, close to about 14 inches long. I'm going to let this cool down. I'm going to grind it all smooth, get all the scale off of it. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut it into probably 3 or 4 inch sections. Go ahead and restack it. But I went ahead and put my other billet in the forge. So I'll be letting that warm up right now and start forging it out while this thing cools down. So I just finished cleaning up the billet. All that grinding is kind of boring to watch, so I went ahead and got everything cut down, cleaned up. I'm getting ready to weld it and then start my reforge again. So I just finished up welding up this 4-layer billet. I went ahead and ground everything somewhat smooth and got my restack done. I got 4 layers of 17 layers times 4 is like what, 68. So I'm at 68 layers right now. One of the things I do when I do my restack, I go ahead and weld everything completely around all the seams due to oxygen getting inside and forming scale. This will help eliminate forging failures, try to get this forged back together. So I'm getting ready to fire this up. I'm at right at 3 hours from the time I started earlier this morning. So Damascus takes a lot of time, grinding, forging everything out. So that's why Damascus can be expensive. And this is just a standard random pattern. So I'm going to have like 68 layers. They're going to kind of weave in and out. But yeah, so like right now, I already have the billet forged up. I'm actually probably close to about 5 hours total work from the time I got the metal until I get to this point right here. So I still got probably another hour and a half, maybe 2 hours of forging this back out into the length I need and to the thickness before I can even start making a knife.